Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we published a new video.
5 drinks that speed up your metabolism. Get rid of belly fat. Metabolism is the rate at which the body burns calories, and much of it is dependent on factors outside of one's control, like gender. Muscle to fat, as muscle burns more calories than fat. Even when you are resting. Ever wonder why your friend, even after consuming the entire pint of ice cream, does not gain a pound, while you eat just a bit and it all goes straight to your belly? The answer lies in the metabolism. Physical exercise also plays an important role in metabolism. On the other hand, weight loss can be a long and a daunting process which requires persistence, obedience and sacrifice. But other than diet and exercise, there are a few tricks that help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat. One. Apple cider vinegar. We do not recommend you do simply drink apple cider vinegar, as it can burn your esophagus. Apple cider vinegar offers many health benefits, including weight loss, improved digestion and boosts metabolism. Apple cider vinegar contains an ingredient called acetic acid, which can prevent a person from gaining body fat. You can mix 2 teaspoons of organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with 16 ounces of water and a little raw honey to sweeten it up. Sipping it throughout the day can help boost metabolism, burn calories and help you lose weight. 2. Green tea. We all are aware of the benefits that green tea offers. It is made from unfermented leaves and contains high concentrations of antioxidants known as polyphenols. Green tea appears to be the secret to the fat burning and metabolism boosting effects. Drinking around 3 to 5 cups of green tea per day for maximum benefits. Organic green tea is one of the healthiest drinks you can consume. 3. Lemon water. Lemon water may be extremely simple and an effective way to get rid of belly fat. All you need to do is mix the juice of a lemon into a glass of water. It offers tons of benefits, including the ability to raise the metabolism and burn belly fat. You can whip up some in a large water bottle and sip on it throughout the day for the best results. Lemon water also aids in digestion, helping the body to absorb the nutrients from other foods, and it aids in regulating insulin spikes too. 4. Vegetable juice. Fresh vegetable juices with spinach, broccoli and other green leafy vegetables are a great way to flush out the harmful toxins out of your system to support weight loss and a faster metabolism. Vegetables that are packed with potassium are especially good for flushing out sodium that keeps the belly bloated.